Welcome. If you're looking to quickly find PDF files on Dropbox, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through the simplest and most effective way to search for PDF files directly within the Dropbox app. Whether you're on your phone or tablet, this updated method will save you time and keep your files organized. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Once it's up and running, look towards the top of your screen and tap on the search bar. This is where you usually type in keywords to find your files, but we're going to refine this search a little further. Next, right next to the search bar, you'll see a little filter icon labeled Type. Tap on that icon to open the file type options. Here, you'll find a variety of file types like documents, images, and presentations. Scroll through and select PDFs. This will tell Dropbox that you only want to see files saved as PDFs, filtering out everything else. With the filter selected, go ahead and type your search term into the search bar. You can enter anything related to the PDF you're trying to find, whether it's part of the file name or keywords inside the document's text if it's indexed. After typing in the term, hit search. Within seconds, Dropbox will present you with a neat list of PDF files that match your search criteria. This makes it easy to browse only the relevant documents and quickly open the one you need, without wading through other file types. That's it. By using the search bar combined with the file type filter, finding PDFs on Dropbox has never been faster or more straightforward. This little trick is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone managing a lot of documents. Give it a try today next time you want to locate a PDF, and watch how much more efficient your Dropbox experience becomes. Thanks for stopping by.